you doing out of your paddock? Hey? You're out because you're hungry, I'll bet.
Sick.
Well, you're not doing anyone any harm, I suppose. Just don't get run over, all right?
There's a cow behind the car.
Is there? You mean a young heifer? I can't see it.
Yeah. Oh, they surrounded the car.
Probably hungry.
Hello. Hello. Do you want a biscuit? Would you like a biscuit? Coming along the road and we saw a whole heap of goats and a cow on the road. Richard knows where they're supposed to be, so they're following him. So I don't know where the gate is to their paddock, but it's not often you see this. It's like the Pied Piper. Joys of living in the country. Drive along the road and a heap of goats and a cow's out. Richard's trying to find the gate to put them in. Can't seem to find one. Don't know where the gate is.